considering yesterday it was nice, except for the wind was a little strong. So bad today. Make sure to walk on the sidewalk to other libraries. And it's like, oh, I was starting to look at that, and it's like, oh, I have to go and look up my card number and all that. Had a truck with a pickup truck with a blade. Right there. Where it's fine falling, couldn't tell. It looks like it's probably since we got birds flying in and out of there, it's probably all full of poop. Yeah. Now the Weber's on the back. Oh, okay. Now you just Ah. All right. I'm all wet.